to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in the Marginfi airdrop that is under the Solana ecosystem. So for those of you that missed out on G2, please don't miss out, because G2 gave a lot of people massive money, guys. So a lot of people that got 100 points got like 10k dollars above, depending on the points. So Marginfi is also similar to Jeto because it also operates on point system, and these points might decide your airdrop eligibility in the future. And as you all know, the Solana ecosystem is creating massive wave, so please don't miss out on this airdrop. So what you need to do in participating in this airdrop is not hard, it is simple. So far you watch this video to the end for easy understanding. So there are a lot of rumors that this project is going to get a token in Q1 2024, so it might be January, February, we don't know. But this project, they are going to launch a token, and those of you that helped in lending, borrowing, and doing some interaction with their ecosystem are going to be appreciated with some potential reward in the future. So for you to start, this is what you need to do. I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. What you need to do is to copy the link at the description of this video, and I'm also going to drop in my Telegram group. So you copy the link, then you take it to any of your Solana wallet. You click on this word sign, then you bring it here and you just paste it. Then you click somewhere here, search also. Then it's going to direct you to the Marginfi site. What you need to do is to just connect your wallet. So maybe using the Solana wallet, you will understand, because I don't want to use Phantom in performing this task. So I'm just going to use this wallet. Alright, so I'm going to change this to my Fed account. So I'm going to use this in performing these tags. So now you can see a word sign here. Click on it. You can see I already have USDC. So I'm going to use USDC in participating in this campaign to get points. You can also use Solana if you want, but I'm just going to stick with USDC, which is a stable coin. So now you click this word sign. Now the link, you paste it here. All right, so make sure to paste the link here. After that, you click next. But for you to start, you need to have of Solana. So I'm just going to show you guys how to convert your Solana to USDC, which is also good. So now you click on connect. So you connect it. Dollar fees and yield, blah blah blah. Yeah, you can follow them, not important. Okay, I think this is not important. To get started, after that, guys, what you need to do is to click on lend. So if you click on lend, you're going to select the token that you want to lend. Like I have 30 USDC, so I'm going to select 30 USDC. I'm going to click max because I want to borrow them everything. I click on supply. All right, now you swipe here to confirm the transaction. So that of Phantom wallet is different from Solana wallet. So just it's like this Phantom wallet, you are going to see where you need to click on confirm to confirm the transaction. So now I'm waiting for it to get confirmed. All right, I want to sign, so I'm going to confirm this transaction. Okay, so looking on the screen, I just lent them 30.33 USDC. So you can also borrow. So if you borrow, it is going to also increase your points for you. So it's either you borrow or you can leave it like that. But for you to borrow, what you need to do is to click on lend again, then you click borrow. All right, so click borrow. So if you click on borrow, then you click on select token. They are going to show you tokens to borrow. They are going to show you tokens to borrow. But please make sure when borrowing, just borrow a little amount. So now I'm going to select USD, UXT, which is also a stable coin. Let me click on max. So according to them, they are going to borrow me this amount, or make sure to reduce it. You can select half. I'm going to select half. Now click borrow. I'm going to confirm this. So borrowing 11.8 UXD. So this is a stable coin. I prefer using stable coin so that I will not get liquidated. So I think the transaction was successful. I just borrowed 11.82 UXD. So if I click my wallet, you're going to see it here, 11.82 USD. So just leave it like that. We are just here to look for the point so that we can be eligible for the Marginfi airdrop in the future. So the point I've not started counting. You bring it down, you're going to see the supply, you're going to see USD. So just leave it like that until you qualify for the airdrop. And like I said, it is going to be worth something in the future. If you deposited Solana and you want to convert some Solana to USDC or any stable coin of your choice, what you need to do is to click on this word sign. So that is for browser. Then you visit this site, Jupiter. So you visit jup.ag. So this is a swap under the Solana ecosystem. So you click on connect. So you connect it to your wallet. So what you need to do is to trade some SOL to any token of your choice. So there are a lot of tokens under SOL. So if you want USDC, you can select USDC. Then you just put down the amount of SOL you want to convert to USDC. So assuming you want to convert 0.1, this is the amount you're going to get in USDC. Then you can use it in performing tasks on any project that you want to lend or you want to stake under Solana. Alright guys, so this is how to position yourself on the Marginfi airdrop campaign for future reward. So I would love to hear from you on what you think about this. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.